Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix battery drain after Android 15 update in Moto G77. First of all, check battery drain apps. Open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on battery. Scroll down, click on manage background apps and turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Now go back. After that, turn off RAM. Again open setting, scroll down and click on about phone and click on RAM and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off RAM plus from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on erase all data, factory reset, and again click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video will be permanently deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix battery drain after Android 15 update in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.